How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie casa. It's tu casa. Today I have a $3 haul for you, and I'm trying to make this video nice and quick for you guys because I only picked up 3 items. Now, you guys know that I'm always telling you that my $3 sucks, and it does. So when I'm able to get my hands on new items and things that are worth showing, then I come in here and show you guys. But being that said, you guys know the Dollar Tree usually brings the brand Bolero, I think it's called. And in the past, they was bringing the creams and the soap. At least that's what they did bring at my Dollar Tree, which I was able to get my hands on. I believe it was the soap, 2 of the soaps. I don't remember the kind, but I know it was 2. Being that said, I picked up this new set that they brought at the Dollar Tree. Again from Bolero, and this is the face skin hair cranberry sweet orange body oil, and it looks like this, guys. Now it says that it supports it has nutrients needed to support a healthy youthful glow that retains its moisture balance, provide benefit from head to toe. Your hair will shine and your skin will look smooth and blemishes free. So I am just gonna break the box to show you guys how the container looks, and tell you a little bit about the smell. So yeah, guys, the bottle looks like this, and I like that it's a spray bottle. And well, it was supposed to be a spray bottle, but as you guys can see, that shoot like really straight instead of like a spray. But it does smell really nice. It smells really sweet, and it's you know, I'm gonna put a little bit right here in my hand. Now, if you can tell, my hands is dry because you guys know it's Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for your love and support. And I hope you enjoyed this holiday with your families and friends. And one advice, guys, if you drink and drive, if you're thinking of drinking and you are driving, please pass the key. Don't nobody wants accidents and tragedy in this beautiful holiday. But being that said, my hands are a little bit dry because, you know, been cooking and stuff. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there and rub it. And again, it does smells good, but this is, you know, how it leaves your hand, very hydrated. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. They got some facial wipes. And again, in the same, you know, same cranberry and sweet orange. Now, this one says, use your facial wipes daily in addition to your normal skin regimen to give your skin added protection against premature aging to the sun and toxics. So that is very nice to know. And again, it looks like this. And I like to take out the wipies to show you guys when I do, because, you know, but it's a very strong wipey. It's very strong. I'm really pulling on it very hard, guys. And I'm just gonna wipe on my hands, and I'm just gonna say that it's very oh my god, you in the facial wipes you can smell a lot the orange scent, more than what you do in the oil. So, you know, it's funny, I came to show you the products and it turned up to be kind of like a review, product review at the same time. So then we have the cranberry and sweet body cream. Now it says love your skin from head to toe with this cream and sweet body cream. Pampers your skin naturally from up to 12 hours hydration. So that is very nice, and I'm excited to try this because, like you guys know, I got very dry skin. So let's just take this film out right here. And, you know, sorry, but I have this Sassy Chick nails. No, not Sassy Chick, Kits. Salon style nails from Walmart. And they were only like let me show you guys. It was only like $5.99 or $6.99. So I don't even remember. But anyhow, this is the cream. And again, you can smell the cranberry and the orange on this one, and it's very absorbent to your skin. and I just love it. So I just wanted to come and show you this, and I show you these packages because I wanted to show you the packages that come in, and I tried them before. So turned up to be a Dollar Tree haul plus you know, a review and also, so 2 things in one. So again, if you see this kind, you guys know that you always like the Bolero products that they bring at the Dollar Tree, and I am amazed that I was able to get my hands on those 3. So being that said, guys, thank you for your love and support. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your holiday. Stay safe, stay out of trouble, and enjoy. You only get this one time a year, which will always be 24 hours, 24/7, 365 days, you know, a year that you will spend time with your family. But being though that it's this one time, everybody gathers together, enjoy it to the fullest, forget the past, love, forgive, and move on. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Is it good? Yeah. Yo.